Hi guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'll try to discuss one very quick topic because many of the people will have the confusion on this particular topic. What is the difference between method and function? See, as I already told you, the function actually we usually write inside a class. This is called method. Okay, this is called method. And how to identify a method? You will see this particular self keyword. Okay, you will see this particular self keyword everywhere. And what is function? Function is nothing but you define a function outside of a class. That means you will be writing individually. Okay, this is called actually function. And you can see function doesn't have any kinds of self keyword. Now previously we have learned the functional programming and we had written different function, I think, remember. And in our previous video we have learned how to create a class inside Python, and inside a class how to mention different function. Okay, so sometimes actually people will call this thing as a function, but if you call it in an actual way, you have to call as a method, because in interview they might ask actually this is a function or method. That time if you just tell this is a function, so you will be giving a wrong answer, because whenever you will be working in the, let's say, industry, so you have to be professional. So in industry they will be calling these are the things as a method, not a function. Okay, so again it's a quick topic, but I just wanted to let you know these are the thing, because many people have the confusion. Okay, that's why I told you this is a method. Function you write individually, this is called function. Okay, I hope it is clear. Now let me give you one question. Just try to let me know in the comment. Let's see, if I just write L is equal to, let's say, 1 2 3, and if I just write length of L, and if I just write L dot append, okay, L dot append, let's say 6. Now just let me know here which is the function and which one is the method. Just do the comment in the comment section. I'm not going to tell you the answer. Just let me know which one is the function and which one is the method. So thanks for watching.